This is another easy one called May There Always Be Sunshine. Let's try it first in the key of D as written in Rise Up Singing. May there always be sunshine, may there always be blue sky, may there always be moonlight, may there always be let's try it in the key of F. In the key of F, they're going to use a G minor chord, which is a less common chord. So that's the first finger on the first fret of that bottom A string. Second finger on the second fret of the C string. That's the second one from the top. And the third finger on the third fret of that E string. So second from the bottom. May there always be sunshine, may there always be blue skies, may there always be moonlight, may there always be stars, may there always be sunshine, may there always be blue skies, may there always be I teach preschool, and so we sing this song in November when we're talking about thankfulness. And I ask the kids each week to throw out things they're feeling thankful for that day, and I figure out how to work some of them into the song. So here's an example of that. May there always be puppies, may there always be playgrounds, may there always be peanut butter sandwiches, may